Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Doing tonight?
No, man.
Doing okay? Everything all right? We got some reports that say you kind of seem like you don't know where you're going a little bit.
Yeah, I'm with my family there.
Say again?
I'm with my family.
You're with your family?
Yeah.
Where's your family at?
Right here.
Where's that?
Right here.
I can't hear you. You're walking away, sir. They're right where?
Yeah. Right.
That's your family right there? Okay. Because they're saying that we're getting reports that you're going in and out, been going out for a while. Okay. This is your family. Why are you out here if they're right there? Okay. How you doing, folks? You related with them? No. Okay. Alex, you said this is your family. Why don't you go, Alex? Why don't you come over here and talk to them and let them finish their lights there? Do you have ID on you by any chance, sir? No? How come you have an ID? How are we supposed to know who you are if something happens to you? Huh? Okay. Do you have an ID? Just not with you? I can't hear you. You don't have one at all? Okay. How come you don't have one? Most people usually have one. I'm curious when I don't see people that don't have one. Okay. Where do you live at, Alex?
I don't know. My family.
You're with your family? Where's your family at?
I don't know. Probably like.
Well, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sir?
On the rest.
No, I'm just talking to you. I'm just trying to make sure you're okay. You're not in a rush. You can stand back up. There's no reason to do that. You don't have to do that. I'm just trying to make sure you're okay.
I'm okay.
Are you sure? What's your last name, Alex?
Ely.
Huh?
Ely.
I can't really hear you a little bit. Let me write it down.
Eli.
How you spell it?
Ali.
Huh?
Eli.
Eli?
2.
E-L-I?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your birthday, Alex?
August 20th, 1989.
89? Where do you live at? Do you have the address?
Yeah, I got that address.
What's your address? You don't know your address? Can I give you a ride somewhere? Give you some help?
No, I'm going.
You sure? Hey, Alex, can you come walk with me for a moment? Listen, so that apparently, like I said, things are a little crazy right now. The manager doesn't want you, is not saying he wants you trespass, but he'd like you to leave for tonight. Okay?
That's fine.
Are you good with that? You okay with that?
I'm good with that.
Okay. Ten three. Get off the ground! Taser! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Yep, he's good. I'm good. Go ahead, I got my taser holding him. Tell them to clear 10-3, but keep those units coming. Stay relaxed. Go ahead and have them start fire rescue engine. That's fine. Hey, let them know that we just need the first unit code. I still got my taser barbs on him. If he bucks, I'll hit him again.
All right.
Alex, go ahead and sit up on your butt. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. All right. Walk him to the car. All right, someone who's got gloves on.
I got good.
All right, let's pull these barbs out.
So when we have air responding,
I'm stuck pretty good.
Just yank them out. Quick tug. All right. Let me go pull it.
Yeah.
Just go ahead and pull the cartridge off. Just drop it there for now. All right. I haven't patted him down or anything, so we need to pat him down. Lean up against your car. Spread your feet.
Any jewelry on you, man? Nothing? Anything in your pockets that's gonna prick me, poke me, stab me? Anything like that? Lighter? Step out of your shoe.
I got it.
Yeah.
Search.
Step out of this shoe. Good. Hang on. Come in, Wyatt.